Imagine a forest blooming with life, a living artwork designed to inspire generations. This isn't just a dream, it's the reality of Echo Wood, a breathtaking project taking shape between Bristol and Bath. Artist Luke Jerram, known for his awe-inspiring installations like the Museum of the Moon, is at it again, and this time, he's planting the seeds for something truly extraordinary. Echo Wood will feature 365 different tree species arranged in a circular pattern, a permanent installation within the new Lower Chew Forest in Compton Dando. The design will encircle an event space, envisioned as a vibrant hub for years to come. Jerram himself says, "It's really exciting. You really get a sense of the curving nature of the archways and entrance ways into the artwork, and you get a sense of the scale of it as well." To reveal the scale and design of this ambitious project, hundreds of lanterns were installed, offering a stunning preview of the forest's future. But here's where it gets exciting. This isn't just about art, it's about action. Created in partnership with the charity Avon Needs Trees, the Lower Chew Forest is a sprawling 420-acre site on Wick Farm. The goal? To plant over 100,000 new trees and shrubs, significantly boosting woodland cover in the Bristol Avon catchment area. Currently, this area has a mere 7.8% woodland cover, far below the national average of 13.2%. This project is a direct response to the climate crisis. Jerram explains, "I've been making artwork that communicates the issues of the climate crisis and thinks about climate change quite a lot, but this is the first time I've created a project that will physically do something about it." The 365 lanterns, each adorned with nature-inspired patterns, were crafted by 12 local community groups. Warwick Barton, head teacher of Pensford Primary School, where pupils participated in the lantern creation, shared, "It's incredible to think that our children will grow with the artwork and that it will still be around when they're parents themselves, or even grandparents." But what about you? Members of the public are invited to become part of this legacy by sponsoring a tree, allowing them to leave a message for future generations. Is this a groundbreaking approach to combining art and environmental action, or does it fall short of its goals? What do you think about the concept of art that directly impacts the environment? Share your thoughts in the comments below.